In this oneHOWTO video, we are going to see how to belly dance with a veil. Specifically, we'll bring the veil back and forth in this circular movement. And here is how it's done. We are going to extend our arms, and in this case, the right hand passes behind and the left hand across the front. Here they cross in the center and then we open them. Again, the right hand goes behind and the left hand across the front. We cross in the center, uncross and open. Let's do it on the other side. The left goes behind, the right in front, we cross and open. Once again, back, in front, cross and open. Now let's do the circular motion. In this case, for example, the left goes behind, the right in front. We cross and now make the change. The right in front, the left inside, and we open our arms. Let's go to the other side. Behind, in front, cross. The right on the outside, now the left on the outside to bring to the opposite side. We go again. Left in front, cross, and now the right goes outside and back around. You can add to the movement using the upper part of the torso. When we pass the veil over the front, the back has to be straight and the chest open. We try to have the shoulders down and backwards to avoid this position. So, chest open and back straight. We go behind, open the arms, back around and open in the front. The open body position is on the back and front as we pass the veil back and forth. Remember, the arms cross here in front and cross again to do this movement by changing the right hand and left hand in front. With the veil behind, always extend in this pose. This movement is also called around the world. Thank you for watching our video today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more to come. We'll see you next time.